Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect a wallet to DexScreener. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. In today's video we will connect my Phantom wallet, and I use the special Phantom wallet extension on my browser, and there is my Phantom wallet account. So I want to connect it to DexScreener, and first of all you need to open up DexScreener. After that you need to sign in to DexScreener or just sign up. So as you can see, I've already did it. Now on the left side you need to find the moonshot option right here. Click on it, and at the top right you can find the connect button. Let's click on it, and here you can easily connect your wallet, your Phantom wallet. If you want to connect your MetaMask wallet, for example, you need to click on the gear icon at the bottom left and click on Connect Wallet. And here you can find MetaMask wallet, of course, connected. But today we will connect my Phantom wallet, so click Connect right here, select Solana, for example. Okay, so as you can see, this is the special extension in Mozilla Firefox. You can easily install it, and all I need to do is just click on the Connect button. Let's do it, connect, and that's all. Now I can see my wallet right here. So this is how you can easily do it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and like, and of course leave your comment. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.